Hi everyone, this is Brendan. Welcome to another 2-minute PD, though this one I think is going to go a little more than 2 minutes. We're going to talk about the differences between saving on your local computer, on your network drive, and in the cloud. Three distinct places, and you can have the same files in all three places. So as you see here, I have a Word document open, because most people start with Word. Or they have Word documents. And you know how to save a Word document. You click File, and you click Save As, and you can change the name of the file if you want to. And you can see this file is saved in my libraries, in My Documents, or in Documents. That's right here, Library Documents. Now, that is on my local computer. So it's a great place to save it, and I can find stuff on my local computer. I can search through it all I want. The problem is if my computer breaks and the tech department gives me a new one, everything that was on that computer is gone. And I know some people have had that happen to them, and it's been difficult and disappointing because then they have to remake everything. And actually, most people seem to save their stuff on their desktop, which is really nice because it's always there and you can find it, but that's on your computer and it can be lost. And it's definitely not the best place to keep stuff on your computer. It actually kind of slows your computer down. Now there's another place to save your documents, and that would be, again, the file Save As, and actually scroll down here to the H drive. The H drive is a computer, a server computer that's either here in Nippersink or at Richmond Burton. So it's not on your desktop, but it's close enough that it almost acts like your same computer. And the nice thing about that is we back all of that stuff up, so if something happens to the server, we don't lose your files. But also if your computer on your desk breaks and the tech team replaces it, all of your files will be right back there. And actually, any computer in the district that you sign into, your H drive will show up and you'll find all of your files that you've made. Plus, at home, if you sign in to our net extender, you can also access those files. So it's very useful and flexible way of accessing all your files. Now, this last couple of years, we've gone Google, and Google is pretty easy to find. When you're signed into email or something, you click the 9 boxes, the app boxes, and then you click Drive, and that will open up here. Or you can just type in yourself, drive.google.com, and this takes you to your Google Drive. And this is a cloud drive. So we don't do anything to back these up. Google backs these up, and they have several backups because they're they're a major company and they're not going to risk your data by losing it somewhere, or risk losing your business by losing your data. So their backup is here. We actually have unlimited file storage as a K-12 institution. So you can put everything up here if you want. If you want to bring stuff up here, you click New, and you can upload either a single file or a folder upload. It's really simple. You just click File Upload, you find the file, and click Open. And it uploads the file. And you can see here I have it set to convert to a Google Doc. So if you click on this file, there it is. Oops. Click on the file, it opens it up, and there's the exact same file that I had just a second ago. Here's the file I just uploaded. You can see it looks exactly the same in Word as it does in Google Drive. Except this is a Google Drive and that's Word. The advantage of Google Drive is you can access it anywhere in the world you have internet access, and make changes on it, and you don't have to worry about whether your making multiple copies of the same document, because it's always the same document, and it keeps all of the edits you've made in a little history back here. So those are the three types of ways of saving your file: locally on your C drive, networked on your H drive, or in the cloud in your Google Drive. I would recommend at least the network drive, if not everything on your Google Drive. So, but you can choose whichever you prefer. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.